Are you a registered nurse that's planning to advance your nursing career? You've probably come across this term called NP or MSN. In today's video, I'm going to break it down for you so you can make a decision on what you want to do in the future. So without wasting any time, let's dive right in. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Karen Zedwin and I'm helping aspiring registered nurses from different countries get through their NCLEX-RN journey, and I also make videos to help out nurses on their journey to success. So as I mentioned earlier, in today's video, we will be discussing the differences between a nurse practitioner and an MSN so that you can make an informed decision on what you want to do in the future. So let's talk about MSN first. So MSN stands for Masters of Science in Nursing. It is an advanced degree for registered nurses who want to expand their knowledge and skills in various sectors of healthcare. This degree typically takes about a year or two for you to complete after you earn your BSN degree. So I did my Master's of Nursing with an emphasis in healthcare management. So I went through the same struggles as you when I was deciding what I want to do, because a part of me wanted me to do FNP and the other part of me wanted to get an administration. So I'm going to be explaining you more in detail so you don't have to go through the same struggle as me. Now, an MSN allows nurses to specialize in areas like nursing education, nursing administration, or clinical leadership. It can also serve as the foundation for advanced practice roles like becoming a nurse practitioner or nurse midwife. Now let's move on to NP. NP stands for Nurse Practitioner. A nurse practitioner is an advanced practice nurse who has completed additional education and training, often at a master's or doctoral level. Now, NPs are licensed to diagnose, treat, and prevent diseases. They also prescribe medication and provide a range of primary and specialty care services. Nurse practitioners are highly skilled and they work on their own or in collaboration with physicians in some states. They can specialize in areas like emergency medication, neurology, clinics, and primary care. Now, the role of an NP has expanded in the past few years as they are increasingly seen as a critical part of the healthcare system. Now, let's talk about what's the difference between a nurse practitioner and an MSN. It's pretty simple. An MSN is an advanced degree, while an NP is a specific role or certification that you can pursue with an MSN. To become a nurse practitioner, you need to have an MSN degree and then specialize in advanced clinical practice. In short, the MSN is the educational path, whereas the NP is the professional role you can take on once you've completed the necessary training and education. Many nurse practitioners, they start by earning their MSN degrees with the focus on becoming a nurse practitioner. Once they graduate, they must pass a certification exam through the Board of Nursing. So as I mentioned earlier, MSN is the stepping stone to becoming a nurse practitioner. But not all MSN graduates and become an NP, and I am one of them. My master's was in leadership and management, and for me, I made that decision that I would never want to become an NP. But then again, everybody has their own preferences, and if you're one of them, once you have your MSN degree, you can always go for your NP, or you can do your MSN with an emphasis to nurse practitioner. Either way, it works. Now, to sum it up, the MSN is an advanced degree for registered nurses, while the NP is an additional role that nurses can pursue after earning their master's degree, giving them the authority to diagnose and treat people, and also to prescribe medication. If you're looking to specialize in patient care or take on a leadership role, both the MSN and NP can open up new and exciting opportunities for you as a nurse. I hope this video helps clarify the difference between the two. But if you still have any further questions, put them in the comments down and I'll be more than happy to answer these questions for you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more healthcare insights. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.